Sorry about that, guys. I'm just going to kind of leave off where I was before, or where I left off, since we're so rudely disconnected there. So, anyway, I want to go back to this circuit that I built. Right now, I'm using the Arduino to just simply power this circuit. This is my latest circuit, so I just want to conclude the last video, perhaps also. But anyway, this is a well. One, two. There's so many different configurations you could do with just these three switches, with just this three-way LED, because you could turn two switches on at one time and make totally different colors. So I'm going to show you how many different colors there are, with just three switches. Ready? There's blue, there's green, there's red, green, blue. Right? Now what happens when you hold red and green, or blue and you get a purple. Okay? And we get a dimming purple, in fact. That's purple. Let's see. This is more like an orange. Let's see what else we got. That's more like a... Okay, so this is definitely purple. This is purple. Alright. I'm just going to give you just red here in a second. That's just straight up red. That there is straight up red. But when I put the blue on too, now it's purple. Now here's just blue. What's blue and green looks like? Oh, wait, yellow and green, or wait, yellow, or red and green becomes yellow somehow. Red and green becomes yellow. Did you guys know that? So we got yellow light here, or orange. Red and green becomes yellow. I didn't know that. And then blue and green becomes this teal color. But again, we just got green, or blue, green, red, blue, green, red. So let's put blue and red together again. Or, yeah, we get purple. It's dimming. I'm still on the fader circuit, or the fader code that's on the Arduino. So, but I use the same circuit. I just built, or used the same code, but just built a different circuit using the same code. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the different properties of the three-way diode. Thank you, and continue watching and liking. Have a good one. Stay warm, guys. Stay warm. It is cold. It is dumb cold outside. Stupid cold. So stay warm, guys.